How to export an AAF in Premiere Pro. This is audio for post and sound mixers. First, open the sequence. Then you want to make sure there's no in and out on the sequence, so press Option X to clear any in and out. Also, you want to hit backslash to make sure you see the entire sequence and delete anything that shouldn't be there. Then click on the sequence, go to the top, File, Export, AAF. There's a few things you want to make sure. Make sure the mix down video is not clicked, breakout to mono is enabled, render audio clip effects, sample rate 48,000, bits per sample 24, files embed audio, format broadcast wave, render trim audio files, 150 handle frames, hit OK. Now you're exporting the AAF. When the AAF export log comes up, just hit OK. And now you have an AAF. Sometimes post audio and sound may ask for other specifications. These are the most common ones. Happy cutting!